Welcome. In this video we're talking GUI management. So get into Kali and let's go ahead and let's look at some settings. So the nice thing is I'm going to open up the settings manager and we're going to go through some of this. So here we have Bluetooth options, we have keyboards, we have displays. We can manipulate our different virtual interfaces if we want. We can set different profiles. But you'll notice there's nothing dealing with networking. We have our multiple desktops, we have our multiple backgrounds if we want to modify them or manipulate them or change the fonts. So it's actually very customizable. We can talk about pixel row, file management if you want to set up different side panels, if you want to change the shape or the behavior of them, accessibility if you want to allow assistant technologies. We actually have sticky keys for our keyboard. We have a mouse emulation so that you can change the speed and access of your mouse. Window manager, we also have a window manager tweaks so that you can kind of customize how Kali is going to look, how it's going to fill, how it's going to do certain things. Cycle through windows on all workspaces, for example. Focusing, we have accessibility options. So there are a lot of features that are part of our settings. However, it is not a complete area. There is not much dealing with our networking in our settings. We have our login options. Switching users if we wanted to. Hibernating, restarting. We have our ability to record a video or take a screenshot. By default, that's already up there. We have our minimize windows area. We have our toolbar, and you'll notice as we dig through them, common things that we're using are going to pop up. Kali is a traditional operating system, so we have things like internet, Firefox, we have browsers, we have things for graphics, an image viewer, we have things for development. Well, that's more database management, but it's there. We have an office-based system, even though it's just a document viewer, and then we have others. So the nice thing is we can actually install software as necessary. We can manipulate more and more of it. Underneath our systems, we can change the different types of terminals if we wanted them. We can manipulate our task manager, or we can manipulate our reading settings and more. Kali is customizable just like Windows is customizable. All you need to know is what are you looking for, and play with the settings till you get it the way that you want it to be. You need to be able to be invested in this. And what I mean by that is, if you are not using this and it's not comfortable, then there's something going on. You need to be able to be comfortable with it. Changing the background, changing the icons, those small customizations allow the user to actually be a little bit better in tune with the system. And it's actually been proven that even just basic customization has more buy-in from the user. So that's where I wanted to end this course with. This is just a basic overview of what you can do with the graphical tools. Thank you.